Hello everyone, we are team.
I am Savi.
I'm Khushi. I'm Khushi Rajesh. We are from class 9 studying in Excel Public School, Tuberculosis, Mysore.
Our theme is health and nutrition, and the problem statement: innovate solutions specifically solving problems faced by patients suffering from the most common diseases of India. We chose diabetes.
In India, the number of diabetic patients is increasing at an alarming rate. Diabetes is not an acute disease that can be cured within a short period of time. It requires a regular monitoring and treatment. The De-Diatify app aims at making diabetes easier to manage remotely. It is a platform on which patients and doctors can connect to manage diabetes in an organized manner, even if they are miles apart. Our app provides a service both to doctors and diabetic patients. Diabetes is a hard disease to manage and is not curable.
In addition to the theoretical aspects of where the app may be used, we also had to learn how to create an app that will fit the needs of the patients and the doctors by studying many videos on the working of the platform we used, code.org.
The working of the app is quite simple. We have two different login pages, one for the patient and one for the doctor. In the patient sign up, we ask for the test results, age, name, and contact details. In the doctor sign up, they are required to upload their medical qualifications, their area of work, age, and contact details. Then we have a screen for the patients to choose which doctor they want to coordinate with, as well as a chat area between the patients and the doctor.
This app helps those already diagnosed with diabetes to regularly monitor and update their doctor about their health condition even if they are in a different location. This will prevent the patient from having to go through all the tests all over again or having to find a new doctor in another location. This is an ultimate solution for all the diabetic patients who lack the proper support because of their location. Everybody deserves to have proper medical treatment and support. This is what we aim to make achievable for the diabetic patients of India. Everybody deserves to de-stress with De-Diatify.